Hola, this is Stephanie from Spanish at Home, and today we have some tips on a very common and useful verb, the verb gustar. This is the verb you use when you talk about things that you like. To begin, let's look at how we conjugate this verb in the present tense. Me gusta, I like. Te gusta, you like. Le gusta, he or she likes. Nos gusta, we like. Les gusta, they like. Now you've probably noticed that the verb gustar is different from most other verbs in Spanish. It doesn't conjugate the same way and we don't use the same pronouns. Why is that? Why don't we say yo gusto or tú gustas? The reason we don't say that is because gustar doesn't actually mean to like. When you say me gusta, you're not saying I like. What you're really saying is it pleases me. Let's look at the conjugations again, but this time let's look at them and translate them in a literal way to help us understand why this verb works the way it does. Me gusta. It pleases me. Te gusta. It pleases you. Le gusta. It pleases him or her. Nos gusta. It pleases us. Les gusta. It pleases them. When we translate gustar in this more literal way, it makes a lot more sense. This is why the verb gustar, or pleases, stays the same. It's always gusta, and it doesn't change. Now, you also see why, instead of using the regular pronouns, which are yo, I, tú, you, él, ella, he, she, nosotros, we, ellos, ellas, they, we use different pronouns. Me, te, le, nos, les, which actually mean me, you, him, her, us, and them. Now that we know this, let's look at some more examples. Me gusta el chocolate. So, you're saying I like chocolate, but if we translate it literally, remember, you're actually saying chocolate pleases me. Te gusta el pastel. You like cake. Or, in a more literal way, cake pleases you. Le gusta el vino. He likes wine, or wine pleases him. Now let's look at the only time the verb gustar changes. Could you guess when that is? That's right. It's when the object is plural. When the object is plural, you're no longer going to say gusta. You're going to say gustan. So you're going to add an N at the end of the word. The reason being is you're no longer saying it pleases me. Now you're saying they please me. Let's look at some examples. Me gustan las manzanas. I like apples. ¿Te gustan las manzanas? You like apples. ¿Le gustan las manzanas? He or she likes apples. Nos gustan las manzanas. We like apples. Les gustan las manzanas. They like apples. Now there's just one more thing to remember with the verb gustar. Always remember to have the article the in front of the object. Let's look at one more example. Me gusta el queso. I like cheese. Notice el in front of queso, the in front of cheese. We always use the article the in Spanish when we're talking about things that we like. So let's review everything we've talked about in this video. The 3 things you have to remember about the verb gustar. Número 1. It only changes when the object is singular or plural. So you're always going to say either gusta or gustan. Número 2. Don't forget you can't use the regular pronouns with this verb, which are yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, ellos, ellas. You must use me, te, le, nos, les. Y número 3. Don't forget to use the article the in front of the object when you're using the verb gustar. There are a few more verbs that work in the exact same way that gustar does. To learn these, watch our other video on our YouTube channel. And always remember that for more tips, you can go to SpanishAtHome.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gracias y adiós.